name's Caitlin, and today I'll show you how to make this Dainty twist bracelet. This is not my original design. I saw someone else make it, so I made it as well, and it's actually super easy. It's beginner friendly, and it's also reversible. So this is the main side. This is the main side, what you want everyone to look at. And then this is the back. I think the back also looks super pretty. It's super beautiful. And yeah. So today you will need, well, really you'll only need one C-clip, so some C-clips. Oh, why do I keep saying that? One C-clip. So you're going to need a C-clip or an S-clip, whatever you have. You're going to need however many, and the yellow, all of these. You will also be needing a hook and a loom. So first you're going to take whatever color you want to be first, which for me is violet. Also you're going to need your arrow on your loom to be facing you. And then you're going to want the arrow on your loom to face you. And you're going to only need 3 little pins or pegs. Alright, so first you're going to take your first color, which for me will be violet. And then I will put it on these 2 pegs. Now I'm going to take the next one, which for me will be, should I use red? I don't know. Okay, which for me will be purple because it will be easier to demonstrate. So you're going to take your next color, put it one on top. And then whatever color you want to be the outline, whatever color you want to be the outline, you will take that color and cap it 3 times. Since this is a beginner tutorial, I will show you what capping means. So it's kind of like when you tie your hair up. You just, double it around. So you're going to take your first peg or pin and you're going to wrap it around 3 times. So once you put it on, that technically means you wrapped it once. So you're going to twist it. So you're going to wrap it around 3 times. So you're going to take your rubber band and you're going to put it around this pin. Let me flip it over so it's easier to see. It should be arranged up like this. You're going to take your first rubber band, put it around your pin, and spin it on there 3 times. Or technically 2 times, I guess. Once you put it on, that means you already put it on once. So you're going to twist it, 2, twist it again, 3. So as you saw there, it's kind of like when you tie your hair. And now you're going to take your hook. It's kind of hard upside down because I'm filming it upside down, kind of. So you're going to take your hook and you're going to put it like this, not facing you. And you're going to push it away, push all 3 upper bands away. Then you're going to take this first band, and bring it over here around this pin. You will do that again over here. Push these yellow bands back. Take the bottom band and pull it around here. Then you will push all of these bands down. Now you're going to take your next color, which for me is going to be red. Then you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this, arrange it right here from this peg to this one. Now you're going to take this one, bring it over here like that and make a sort of V shape again. Now you're going to take your border color and you're going to wrap it around 3 times as well. So 1, so as you can see, 1, 2, and 3. You can do it faster, but since this is a beginner tutorial, again, I'm not gonna go too fast on this. So I'm just going to take your hook. You're going to push back the capped bands. By the way, the capped bands are the bands that you doubled or tripled, I guess. And then you're going to take the top band, well, the second most top band, aka the second band. Then you're going to pull it over here. If you put it in the correct order, then it should be over here. Going to push back the capped bands again. Now you're going to take that red band, pull it over this peg. Now if you've done it correctly, all the way through with me, you should have this string shape. There should be 2 layers like this, and this part's super easy, super duper easy. So what you're going to want to do, hold up, let me push my stuff aside so I can move. Okay, so if you turn it to the side, you should see this, but with whatever colors you choose. So you're going to take, and yes, if you're wondering, we're using an off-brand rainbow loom, but anyways, so you're going to take your bottom, so it should look like this. You're going to turn it to the side, and then you're going to take your bottom set of bands, then pull it over the top set. You'll also do that to the other side. Look at the bottom set of bands, take your hook, bring that over, nice, like that. And then you're gonna look at here, the cap bands. You're gonna take, sorry, how do I do that? How do I like, so you're gonna take the bottom and just pull it over, like so. Super duper simple, and at the top it should have this weird little shape, like an alien head or a mosquito head or something like a V or a Y, whatever you see it as. And then you're going to do that again. So since I just used red, I'm going to go to my next color, which is violet. And you just do the same thing. So you take this set, put it like that, next one. There. Now you're going to push it down as much as you can without overlapping any colors besides the capped bands. Now you're going to take the border color, which for me is yellow. You're going to put it on.
What are you all doing? That was a cute look you gave me, Kay.
Hey.
You sweet girl.
Okay.
Ow.
Sorry about that. Anyways, you're going to take this, wrap it around 3 times. So once you put it on, it counts as 1. So wrap it around again, counts as 2. Again, 3. And you've got something like that. So now you're going to take your hook again. Going to want the pointy side, not facing you. So you're going to push back all of these rubber bands. Then you're just going to take the one under it, which should be purple if you're doing the same colors as me. Then you're going to bring it over here. Do the same thing. Take this color, take this band, bring it over here, like that. And as you see, there's 2 layers again. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it to the side, take these rubber bands, bring it on top. Other ones, bring them on top. Can't really get it because the camera's right in my face. Now you're going to bring it on top. And same thing over here, going to bring it on top. And then you're just going to repeat those steps. I'm going to repeat those steps, and then I will, so just replay those steps, and I will come back whenever I have the length I want. I finished the length of my bracelet. I have a small wrist, and it's made out of rubber bands too, so it's a bit stretchy. And just in case you are still a little bit confused, I'm going to show you how to do it a couple more times. Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, you're going to take one band and put it on these two pins. Now we're going to slide it down a little bit. Take your next band and put it on top of those two. So from the side, it should look something a little bit like this. 3 cap bands, and then these 2. And then anyways, you're gonna take your border color again, and then you're gonna cap it 3 times and put it on here. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, I can't get this off. It's probably gonna slide right now. Okay. So just cap your bands like that. And then you're gonna take your hook. Then you're just gonna loop these. So
Don't cover it. Don't cover it.
I'm trying not to. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna push back your cap bands.
Stay there. Go there.
No, set it tighter. Like that. So you're gonna hoop that. Oh, here's puppies. Okay. Anyways, you're gonna push back your cap bands. Then you're going to take your top band, loop it around over here, push back your cap band again, get your purple band, do that. Now you're just gonna go to the side, and then you're gonna see this red bunch. Grab that. Sorry, you can't really see. Wait, okay. And pull it over like that. Other side, grab these 2 red bands, pull it over. Now on the last one, you are going to pull that one over as well. Okay, I know I said I was gonna do it a couple more times, but I think I'm gonna end my bracelet now. It's the length I want. Anyways, now what you're going to do is you're going to take, also you're gonna make sure you have no upper layers on this. So it should be just this one layer. So we're gonna take 1 rubber band, slide all the rest of the bands down. Now take 1 rubber band, put it on top, all these little pins / pegs in a triangle. Now we're gonna loop all of these on top. So we're gonna grab, you can also use your fingers if you want. I just find it easier to use a hook because my fingers are fat now. Pull it over. Oh my gosh, okay. Next side, pull it over. Next side, pull it over. And like that, now you are pretty much ready to add your C-clip. So the way I find this easiest is take one of the bands, move it onto either one of these. I'm just gonna do this one. Move it onto one of your pins. Do the same thing to your other band, put it on here. And then you're gonna take your C-clip or your S-clip, whichever one you use, I guess. And then I usually hook it onto here because it makes a stretched out space. And you're gonna take your C-clip. Sorry about my hand, it's like, I decided that it was a good idea to rub marker on it. Then you just clip it on. Take it off. Take it off your loom. Clip the other side as well. Make sure you try to keep the bracelet not twisted like this. Try to keep it straight, if that makes sense at all. And you just clip it on. And there you go. You have a Dainty twist bracelet. I'm gonna make 2 more of these. Same colors, just different border colors. And yeah, it's super easy, super simple, super cute. I feel like anyone who has a loom and a hook, C-clip, or rubber bands can do it. I really love how it looks. It's reversible because it looks great on either side. This side looks more like a dainty twist, like the name. And then the other side just looks like a hexafish, I think. Yeah. Super simple, super easy. Make sure you try it out for yourself. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment down below. Comment down below what colors you did. So, bye. Dun, 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 dun.